pants off. And stop filming him.
I can feel your heart. I filmed your brother dancing. Oh, sorry. Creo. Do the creo, Jess.
Creo. You should have seen it yesterday.
Do the creo, Steve.
Steve was doing it more anyway.
Do it, Steve. Where's everybody going? I have to pee. Do the creo, Steve. Please?
Don't record me.
Please? Will you do the creo for me? No, I won't be here tomorrow.
Then I'll send it to you.
No, do the creo. Steven. I'm gonna show it to Naomi.
Too bad.
I'm gonna show it to Naomi.
Chill out. I don't look good.
Just do the creo real quick. Please, Steve.
Chill out. Delete that.
Will you do the creo for me?
I won't feel good, okay?
Is it still? Well, that's because you were doing things last night you weren't supposed to be doing.
Shut up.
No. 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 No.
Delete it.
No.
Get her.
Steve.
So don't point that out. I guess you'll let to Naomi?
Yep.
Okay. I love you, Naomi.
Aww, that was so cute. That was so cute. Oh my god, I'm definitely showing her that.